Hi, I am Jacky. Welcome to my Filmora9 Master Course. If you're looking for a completed course to learn about making video using Filmora9, you're at the right place now. In this course, I've compiled a series of easy-to-follow tutorial videos, which cover everything you need to know about Wondershare Filmora. I will show you all about the user interface, about its editing workflow, as well as teaching you how to use each specific features properly to help you make better videos using Filmora9. All my tutorial videos are designed in a smooth and simple workflow plus text annotations so that anyone can follow easily. Once you went through this course, you will be able to make several different types of videos using Filmora9. You will know how to record your computer screen for making tutorials, how to crop video, add text on your video, how to overlay videos, how to edit audio, as well as color grading your footage and export to final video format. I'd love to help you learn everything about Filmora9 from my course. Take this course, and I will see you in my first tutorial.